This problem is in 2.4. We are rationalizing a denominator that has a radical in it. And in this particular problem, the radical is actually I. So whenever we're working with radicals, we have to make sure that we do not have a radical in the denominator of a fraction. So that's what we have to do, is manipulate this problem so that there is no longer an I in the denominator. So our original problem is 5 minus 4i all over 8 plus 6i. So in this problem, our denominator is 8 plus 6i. We are going to multiply it by the conjugate, which is 8 minus 6i. And you'll see what happens once we do the FOIL multiplication. Remember, our goal is to get rid of I. So I have to FOIL the top and FOIL the bottom. So when I FOIL the top, I get 40 minus 30i minus 32i plus 48i squared. Then when I FOIL the bottom, I get 64 minus 48i plus 48i minus 36i squared. So these i's right here are going to cancel out because when we multiplied by the conjugate, which is the opposite sign. So since my original problem had a plus in the denominator, by multiplying it by a minus, that creates a positive and a negative that will cancel each other out. And we know that I squared is a number, so really our focus needs to be this I needs to go away. So simplifying, 40 minus, I combine my like terms to minus 62i plus 48 times negative 1. So recall that I squared equals negative 1, so I'm just substituting there. And in the denominator, when I combined my two middle terms, they canceled. And so I had 64 minus 36 I squared, so I replaced the I squared with negative 1. Just keep simplifying all the way until I get here. I had to split it. Remember, I have to put it in a plus bi form, so I have to have it in two terms, not just one term. So I'm splitting it and then simplifying. So here is my simplified answer. Negative 4 over 25 minus 31 over 50i.